DepEd plans AM-PM classroom shifts. Department of Education spokesman Michael Powa said the plan is to implement a double shift policy, although he did not discount the possibility of having 3 shifts in extreme cases. Morning and afternoon class schedules may make a comeback in public schools if the Department of Education pushes through with its plan to re-implement the double shift policy to prevent classroom congestion. Michael Powa, DepEd spokesman, said this is one of the interventions that they are considering to address possible classroom shortages when full in-person classes are implemented in the upcoming school year. We are considering shifting. We will have shifts like what we used to do. Some will go to class in the morning, then the other learners will come in the afternoon. This is to try to make sure that we still will be able to comply with the minimum health and safety standards, including physical distancing, Powa said. Several groups have expressed concern over the DepEd's plan to impose mandatory face-to-face classes starting November 2, citing classroom shortages that could prevent students from practicing social distancing. POA recognized the problem of classroom shortages, especially in high-density areas such as Metro Manila and Calabarzon, Cavite, Laguna, Batangas, Rizal, and Quezon, or Region 4A. He said the plan is to implement a double shift policy, although he did not discount the possibility of having 3 shifts in extreme cases. We are looking at 2 shifts at the moment because having 3 shifts may result in students going home late or class schedules having compressed hours. So right now, what we are really planning is 2 shifts per day unless absolutely necessary, he said. The DepEd has yet to release detailed guidelines on class sizes for the school year, although an earlier policy issued by Vice President and Education Secretary Sara Duterte stated that physical distancing shall be implemented whenever possible. It amended the agency's previous policy on face-to-face classes during the pandemic, which required occupied chairs to be 1 to 2 meters apart. It also set a maximum numbers of students to just 20 per classroom. Prior to the pandemic, class sizes averaged at around 30 to 40, with some even reaching as many as 60. The Alliance of Concerned Teachers noted that the spike in public school enrollment during the pandemic may result as many as 70 students per class in some areas due to classroom shortages.